I always find multiple issues on these older decks, but just want to show you one. All right, so several things on this one, what we're gonna focus on too. One is the deck is attached to a bay window overhang, so we don't want to attach the deck to the overhangs. Majority of the time these overhangs are not designed to support the extra weight. Also, most importantly on this one, they have OSB sheathing with no flashing behind the ledger. Oftentimes contractors will take the siding off that was originally installed and install the ledger right to the sheathing, which creates several problems, but the OSB needs to be protected from weather. On this one, you can see it's soft enough I can stick my finger right through it. It's just been exposed to water and rain for multiple years and it's starting to rot, which not only rots the sheathing, but weakens the connection between the ledger and the house, which is already a poor connection to begin with. So definitely need repairs on this one. Protect the house when you put these ledgers on. You need flashing above it, you need flashing behind it. All right, next.